seat. You should probably take the wheel. I'm kinda twisted inside, and I don't know where I'm going. I'm just here for the ride, okay?
Today I'm going to show you why Mayfair is an essential part of any London itinerary. In fact, it's hands down my favourite place in London.
My mom says love's not easy, just keep your head held high.
Don't get me wrong, there's some really cool places I love to visit when I'm in London. Camden and Islington stand out for me, but there's something about Mayfair that always brings me back.
I think I'm pretty fly right now. Maybe I'm going crazy, can't catch a break lately.
Mayfair is located in the borough of Westminster. The nearest tube stations are Bond Street and Green Park. It's full of 5-star, swanky hotels, super cool restaurants, and the shopping is amazing.
What you gotta do.
Georgian architecture. No, you're taking the mick out of me. Georgian architecture dominates Mayfair. Just look at it. It is beautiful.
You called me last night, drunk again. Trying to get me back, but no offense. Told you many times, babe, I don't wanna try more. Think that you're sorry, just won't do. 지금 와서 뭐해? 시간 없어 언제까지 이렇게.
Now, one of my favourite things about Mayfair are the pubs. I'll show you a couple of my favourite cocktail bars later, but for me, there's nowhere quite like a Mayfair pub. There's so many of them, it feels like there's one on every corner with some real standouts. This is the Fortnum, one of the oldest pubs in London. It was originally called the Running Horse and was a local drinking spot for the footmen that worked in the area. The Punch Bowl is a no favourite of mine and was once owned by Guy Ritchie. It used to be a celebrity hangout spot and the food here is delicious. The Sunday roast is a standout for me.
I kinda wish I'd never met you. If I know the things you would put me through, yeah.
The Orderly is a traditional pub set in a beautiful Victorian building. It's on one of the grandest streets in Mayfair, with the Connaught 5-star hotel around the corner and also the former home of Winston Churchill.
언제나 함께 있었음 해 모든 게 다 통하니까 feels like daydreaming.
I absolutely love the little squares that are dotted around the area. The main ones are Berkeley Square and Grosvenor Square. It's a perfect place on a sunny day to watch the world go by.
눈이 마주쳤던 그 순간 생각을 공유해 우리 둘 사이의 텔레파시 바라보고 있는 날 봐. Nowhere can I find someone like you. 한눈에 알아본 넌 나의 replica.
Mayfair is home to some of the finest hotels in the world, such as the Connaught.
We're on the same wavelength. Oh yeah, why can't we just meet tomorrow? 난 아직도 날 찾고 있어. 매일이 난 네 생각하다 잠들어.
These hotels are easily up to £1,000 a night for a standard room. Unfortunately, I've not stayed in any of these as of yet, but I can dream.
I don't know what more to expect. 물론 아니야, 너는 없으면 난 알아 너라는 말은 하고 싶지 않아 정말 보러 갈게 바다.
Oh, and I've got to show you some of the cakes in here. Who doesn't love a good bakery? And there's some super swanky ones in Mayfair. Come on, let's take a look inside.
나란히 가서 주말에 평범한 연인처럼 밥을 먹고 싶어 내 말 틀린 건 하나도 없어 안 될 거란 생각 이제 던져 너가 없으면 날 오케이 난 잘 먹고 잘 살길 오케이 맘을 다 부어주긴 좀 그래 잠을 만큼 참았어 억울해 Baby I can feel it with you Maybe you feel the same with me too 매일이 난 네 생각
Today I've chosen a Saint on Air and it is absolutely delicious. It's a puff pastry with cream, vanilla cream and caramel, and it is super.
Blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover warmth, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing.
You can book a nice hotel for around £200 a night, but this time I've decided to rent a one-bedroom apartment in the centre of Mayfair. Come on, let's take a look inside.
It's like a swap, making me better, you hotter than pepper. You with a big stepper who chasing a cheddar. All of these women, they not on your level. You like a mix of business and pleasure. You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover warmth, different vibe, you know improved.
I'm really pleased with the one-bedroom apartment we've chosen this weekend. It's tastefully decorated, it's got some beautiful features, the bed looks super comfy, but come on, I've got some more to show you.
But you ain't even flexing.
I'm sat in the lobby of the famous Dorchester, one of the most luxurious hotels in the world. Rooms start at about £1,000 a night, and it's also home to the 3-star Michelin restaurant. The Vesper Bar is here, and it's inspired by the one and only James Bond.
Jake. You know, that's not half bad. I'm going to have to think up a name for that.
Let's head into the Vesper Bar.
Now give me the beat.
I'm sat at the Vesper Bar, and of course I've ordered the signature cocktail, the Vesper Martini. Cheers!
Live your life within the moment and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over.
You don't have to be into fine dining to eat well in Mayfair. One of my faves is a Mayfair chip here, and you'll find it hard to come across a better fish and chips in the capital. I can honestly say that was one of the nicest fish and chips I've ever had. Sorry Neil's Friary, but this might just be the one back home. And we're here at Mercato Mayfair. This place is a little different. It's in a converted church, and street food has become increasingly popular over the years. Come and check this food out.
Live your life within the moment and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away.
So, have I mentioned the casinos? It's a completely different vibe to Vegas, and they can be a pain to get into, some of them. Dress codes, memberships, etc. But it's definitely worth a shout to check them out the next time you're in London. I'm at the Metropolitan Casino, and it's one of my favourites in London. Don't get me wrong, it's got a completely different vibe to Vegas. It's very chilled. I'm out on the terrace at the moment, and it's cool the fact we've got slots out here. Inside, typical table games, and there's some more selection of slots. It's hard to film in London casinos, but something that's different to Vegas is the slots have a little banking system where you basically can't play with all the money you put in the machine unless you take it out of the bank. Anything you win goes into the bank, and then you can transfer it back out to play. It takes a bit of getting used to, but the system is in place in the UK to help people gamble responsibly. Drinks, and I'll catch you in the morning where we'll do some shopping, and I'll show you a Mayfair Sunday lunch.
Just another sunny day in Southern California.
It's Sunday morning in Mayfair. Time to hit the shops and grab some lunch. Come on, let's check it out. This arcade, it opened in 1819. It's full of quaint little shops, and I love the fact that the guards are all dressed in traditional uniform. It's so luxe, and I love it. Fortnum Mason, I'm going to go inside and take a look to see what all the fuss is about.
Yeah. I don't wanna be the girl, but I kinda need a word. Well, I'm into you, and all I know, it's been a long time. I was on the sideline waiting for you. We could go to California or anywhere you wanna. As long as I'm with you, I'm alright. And we don't need the drama, we'll find our own nirvana. So run away with me tonight. 'Cause it feels like I'm dreaming when I'm waking up next to you. And my wild heart is beating.
I mean, the market tavern in Mayfair came here a few years ago, and the Sunday lunch was excellent. So I'm back today to see if it's as good as I remember. Just finished up in here. We had the trio of meats. Got to admit, food isn't as good as I remember, but I want to highlight the service was absolutely outstanding and the atmosphere was fantastic. And that's Mayfair. There's a lot more I want to show you, but I've only been here for the weekend. But hopefully I've given you some inspiration on why Mayfair should be on your to-do list the next time you're in London. Like and subscribe if you'd like to see some more Manchester, Vegas, and maybe some London content. I'll catch you in my next one.